Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and I'm going to show you how you can speed up your face recognition on this device. So at the first we are going to make a few unlocks with normal speed, and after that I will show you how it works with the faster recognition. So right now it's turned off, as you can see, and let's try to scan our face for a few times. It works really good, it's reliable. And right now let's speed it up. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can enter the settings. Let's go for the settings, then tap on the lock screen, move to the screen lock type. Let's click on OK. I just made a mistake, never mind. We have to move for the biometrics and the security. Tap on the face recognition, input your currently known method, and then we get this face faster recognition feature. So when you turn it on, right now it unlocks a little bit faster. Yeah, definitely this one is faster. So that's how you can speed up your face unlock on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!